Okay, I welcome you all. We will start with sequence and series, that is the last part we will be doing here. So, we were stuck in this question in the previous class, now we will start with this itself, right. So, here the sequence is like this 1 by 3 square minus 1 up to 1 by 201 square minus 1, alright. So, we have to, first I told you we have to get a general term. The general term here is, see here, these of the form 2n plus 1 whole square, alright, 2n plus 1 whole square, where n is nothing but up to 100, correct. 2n plus 1 whole square, this is nothing but what? This is minus 1 square. This is not just 2n plus 1 whole square, this is minus 1 square. 2n plus 1 is what? Here if I put n is equal to 100, this will become 2 into 100 plus 1, 201 square minus 1. Instead of 1 I have written 1 square. Now see here, these of the form a square minus b square, can I write it? These of the form a square minus b square, a square minus b square, this can be written as what? A plus b into a minus b, right, correct. So, this I can write here as 2n plus 1 minus 1, okay, I will write it inside itself, 2n plus 1 minus 1, okay, into 2n plus 1 plus 1, right. So, this I can cancel, okay, 2n plus 2 I will get here, 2n plus 2, so 2 I can take it outside, 2 into n plus 1, this I will get it as good, 2 into n plus 1. Now, I am left with what here? 2n. Here I can take 2 outside and write only n, okay, this I will get it like this. So, this will be what? This will be equal to 4 times, first I will write this n plus 1 into n, clear till here? 4 times n plus 1 into n. So, this is nothing but what? This is the denominator. So, I can write this as equal to, this will be equal to what? 1 by 4 summation of, what is it? Summation of 1 by n plus 1 into n, correct, 1 by n plus 1 into n, summation of n running from what? N running from 1 to 100, n running from 1 to 100, clear till here? Now, it is easy for us. Now, what I can write 1 as? 1 I can be written as n plus 1 minus n. This 1 can be written as what? I can write as n plus 1 minus n divided by n plus 1 by n. Okay, this if I separate and divide it, what I will get it as? I will get it as 1 by n minus what I will get? 1 by n plus 1 summation. What it is? N runs to 1 to 100. Smaller one, bigger one. Okay, so this 1 by 4 I should write. Okay, 1 by 4 is outside. So, I will write it as 1 by 4 into smaller one means nothing but it is 1 minus what it is? 1 by 101. Now, if I calculate this, what I will get? 101 minus 1 is 100. Not 1. So, 4 ones are 4, 25 are. So, 25 by 101, simple. So, what is the option? What is option D? Okay, clear? I will save it, I will send it to you. You can write it down, okay, do not worry. Okay, because if I give time every time to write down, we cannot cover things. Main thing is you have to understand. Even if I give the question without solution, you should be in a position to solve. Clear? Done? All the PDFs I have shared. Have you watched? Did you get it? No, you should have asked ma'am. Anyways, you people got, no? I have shared it with Krishita also, no problem. Okay, fine. Another guy also I should share. Okay, I don't have his number. Let's see. I will share it in the app. Now look at this question. This is similar. Let's do some other question. Okay, look at this question. Find the sum of the infinite series. Okay, they are given. Find the sum of the infinite series. So this is of the form 1 by 9, 1 by 18, 1 by 30, 1 by 45, 1 by 63. I can take what common I can take? In 9 is there. Otherwise, I could have taken 6 common. 6 also I cannot take common because 45 is there. 63 is also there. Only thing I can take common is 3. 9 also I cannot take. 30 will not go with 9. 18 it will go, 45 it will go, 63 it will go. 3 I can take common. So, if I take 3 common, this will become out 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 into 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 21 up to infinity. Okay. Now, I got 1 by 3. Now, here what I will do is 1 by 3, 6, 10, 15, 21 is there. Okay. Here I am not getting some pattern because 3, 6, 10, 15 it is following some other pattern. From here it is 7, here it is 4 difference, here it is 5, okay, here it is what? 6. So, what I will do is I will divide and multiply by 2. For this I will divide and multiply by 2, this into 2, okay. Let me use some other color. I will divide and multiply by 2. So, this will be.
So, can we take the pattern? I mean, the pattern is increasing by 1.
increasing by
3, then difference is 4, difference is 5.
that you can take, that also is fine, but to get the general term it will be difficult. General term everywhere you have to make r plus 1, r plus 2, r plus 3, it will go to r plus n. Okay, instead of that we will do 3 into 2, 6 into 2, 10 into 2, 15 into 2, 21 into 2. Okay, so what I took the extra step I have written like this. Now what will become, what we can write this as, this can be written as this will be equal to 1 by 2 by 3 will be outside, this can be written as what, 3 into 2, 3 into 2, instead of writing 1 by 6 I want 2 into 3. Okay, plus this is what, 6 2s are 12. Okay, this can be written as what, 3 into 4. Okay, 10 into 20 is there, I can write it as what, 4 into 5. This 15 2s are 30, this I can write it as 5 into 6. Okay, plus this is what, 21 into 2, I can write it as 6 into 7, 42. 6 into 7, 42, like this. So this will become what, 2 by 3 into what it is, n I can take or whatever I can take. See, this I can write as 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Okay, if I put n is equal to 1, this will be what, 2 plus 1, this is n plus, if I put n is equal to 1, this will be 2, if I put n is equal to 1, this will be 3. So this is the general term I got, where n runs from 1 to infinity. Okay, so this will be equal to what, I will write here, simple, if you get the general term it is very simple. Here no need to do anything with respect to numerator. Okay, this numerator directly I can separate and divide it. Okay, this I can write it as what, 2 by 3 into summation of what it is, n running from 1 to infinity, here it is infinity. So this will be what, 1 by n plus 1, no, this should be minus n plus 2. Okay, it will become minus. Okay, no need to do anything with the numerator here, it will become minus 1 by n plus 2, separate and divide it. Okay, so this will become, see, this you will understand when you do partial fractions. Partial fractions, where we will do partial fractions, actually we had in inter 1 I think. Okay, second year, okay. So partial fractions you had, there we will get like this, or when we do a partial integration by partial fractions we will do, there you will understand why minus k. Okay, one of the constants will be plus 1, another constant will be minus 1, b will be minus 1. So we got here minus 1, directly I am writing. So this will become 2 by 3 into summation is what, this is what, n I should write it as, this will be 2 by 3 into, this is what, n is going to smaller term, this will be 1. So this will become into 1 by 2, this will be, infinity will go here. So 1 by infinity is 0, this is minus 0. So I will get it as what, 1 by 2, 2 cancels, I will get it as 1 by 3, answer. Clear? These 2 and these 2 will cancel. This is equal to what, 1 by 3. Clear? So where is the answer? 1 by 3, option A. Clear till here? Understood? Okay. So getting the general term is very important. Okay, this is advanced level of question, but I have solved it so that you use these concepts. Clear? Okay. Next we will go to HP, harmonic progression. Okay, here suppose a sequence will be in HP if the reciprocal of its terms are in AP. Okay, suppose a sequence is in AP, if you write that's reciprocal, that is HP. That's all, that is what they mean. Okay, suppose ABC are in AP, if you write the reciprocal 1 by A, 1 by B, then 1 by C, they are in HP. Okay, most important thing you have to focus is AP. If they are in AP, definitely they are in HP. Okay, if they are in HP, definitely they are in AP. Its reciprocal will be in AP, that's it. Now see, if ABC are in HP, then 1 by, that is what I told you, will be in HP. Okay, then this you don't have to remember all this, you remember only this much. B is equal to 2 times AC by A plus C. Okay, this you find, you will use even in while finding average speed. Okay, you will find finding average velocity while finding in physics. This HP actually will use even in physics while solving certain questions. Okay, while finding effective resistance, if they are in parallel, if they are in series connection, all these things there also HP you can use. B is equal to 2AC by A plus C. B is equal to what? 2 times AC by A plus B. Okay, A plus C. 2 times AC by A plus C. So next thing is, see here, if ABC are in HP, the standard HP is 1 by A plus T, 1 by A plus T, 1 by A plus 2D, 1 by A plus N minus 1 D. That is what we used to write normally, we are writing in reciprocal. That is AP we are writing in reciprocal, that is in HP. Clear? a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus n minus 1 into d is in AP means its reciprocal that will be in HP, 1 by same thing. Clear? Okay. Now harmonic mean, if ABC are in HP, then H is equal to 2ab by a plus b. Okay. Suppose if you take this as b, then it will become 2 times AC by a plus c. But harmonic mean is same formula. Instead of b, you will write H. H is equal to 2ab by a plus b. Okay. Arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2. Geometric mean is g square is equal to square root of ab. Then harmonic mean is 2ab by a plus b. This much you have to remember. Now we will see the relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and also harmonic mean. We know that arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to harmonic mean. Based on that we solve the questions also. No, geometric mean, not arithmetic mean, it is geometric mean. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Based on that we solve the certain questions also. It was useful for us to find the minimum value, even we found the maximum if the integers are in positive, and if product of all the terms give us perfect square root. There also we can use arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Next thing, now we will see the relation. Okay, before that we will see this question. They are telling if 1 by 4, 1 by x, 1 by 10 are in HP, then what is the value of x? If 1 by 4, 1 by x, 1 by 10 are in HP, definitely I can write 4 x 10 are in AP. Correct, no? 4 x 10 are in AP. Then x minus 4 will be equal to 10 minus x by common difference. This minus this and this minus this are equal. They are nothing but what? This is d and this is also d, common difference. Now x will be what? X minus this will comes here, x 2x is equal to what? 14. X is equal to 7. Clear? Yes. Like this you solve. That's all. If they were giving in HP, convert it into AP, find the common difference, you will get the value of x. Understood? That's it. Next. Am I going fast? Too fast? You are able to catch up now, because we have to be little fast, because these are easy concepts, no need to spend too much time on it. I am covering so that you have that concept, no need to work too much on it, because you are already understanding. Now the sum of 3 numbers are in HP. Okay, the sum of 3 numbers in HP is 37 and the sum of their reciprocals is 4. Okay, and the sum of their reciprocals is 4. Find the numbers they are telling. Okay, the sum of 3 numbers are in HP. Okay, we have to take 3 numbers. I told you while selecting the terms, I told you a concept, selection of terms in AP, selection of terms in GP. Okay, when 3 terms mean, let us take it as a plus d, a minus d, and common difference is d. If it is 4 terms, we will take it as a plus d, a minus d, and a minus 2d. Here also it is a minus d, a minus 2d. 4 times, something like that. And common difference will be 2d. Okay, if it is even number of terms, common difference will be 2d. If it is odd, it is d. Now they are telling how many terms? 3 terms. So we should take
D.
common difference is d. But terms which we will take it as, but we will take here reciprocal. If it is in HP, reciprocal will be in AP. So we will take the terms as 1 by a, this will be 1 by a minus d, this will be 1 by a plus d. They are telling what? Sum. I will take sum. Okay, I will take the sum. So sum is equal to what? They are telling us equal to 37. That will be like this. Okay, now they are telling the sum of their reciprocal is 1 by 4. So that means this is in HP, its reciprocal is 1 by 4. Its reciprocal means what? A minus d. Reciprocal sum, I will write it here. Reciprocal sum a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Reciprocal sum is 1 by 4. This should don't change. This you should take as a reciprocal. This should don't change. This will be 1 by 4, not 4. Okay, always what they were given, don't change that. This will be 1 by 4 only, not 4. This will be dd cancel. 3a is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 12. A is equal to 1 by 12 we got. Now if you put the value of a here, we will get the value of d. Let us do that. So if I put here, this implies 1 by 12 minus d. Correct, no? 1 by 12 minus d. A is 1 by 12, no? So this will be 1 by 12 minus d. This is what? Plus 1 by 12 is, it will become 12. Okay, 12 by 12 will go up, it will become 12, plus 1 by 12 plus d is equal to what? 37. Now 1 by, this is what? 12 will come up, 1 minus 12d, okay, plus this will be 12 by 1 plus 12d is equal to what? 25, because 37 minus 12, 37 minus 12 is 25. Now if I take the LCM, I will get it as what? This will be 12 into 12 plus 12 into 12 is 144d plus 12 into what it is? Minus 12 12 is 144d minus 1 minus 144 d square, a plus b into a minus b, I did it. This will be is equal to 25. Now what will happen? This and this will cancel. So 12 plus 12 is 24. Okay, 24 and 25 I have here. Okay, so 24 is equal to 25 into 1 minus what it is? 25 into 144. 25 into 144 is how much? 25 4 is a 100. 25 4 is a 100. 10 is there, 110. Okay, 110. So 25 ones are 25 plus 11 is 36. Clear?
Yes.
This much we got. Now in terms of d, we have any term? No, we don't have. This will become what? If I send it this side, this will become equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 3600 d square. Okay, this will become what? Plus. So d square is equal to what? 1 by 3600. So d will be equal to what? 3600 square root is 60. So d will be equal to plus or minus 60, plus or minus 1 by 60. Okay, plus or minus 1 by 60. So d will be equal to plus or minus 1 by 60. From here you know how to do. I don't have to do this, but you have to understand the concept. Understood the concept? So d we got. Now we have to find out the values. I mean we have to find the numbers. So d we got. So we have to find the this one 1 by a minus d, not this one. These are the terms we took. So this will become what? 1 by a minus d. So this 12 minus. First we have to take it as 12 plus or minus 60. Then we have to take plus 12 plus or minus 60. This one 1 by 12. That's all. So that the numbers are what? The numbers are 1 by a minus what is it? It is d is what? Plus or minus 60.
12.
A we have the value of 12. Okay. So a is what?
1 by 12.
A is 1 by 12. Okay. Next another term is what? Another term is a is 1 by 12. So 12 by, this is 12 itself. Nothing we can do here. There is no value of d. So this will become what? 1 by 12 plus or minus 1 by 60 or 60. This also. So here also it is 1 by 60. Correct? No? 1 by 12 minus plus or minus 1 by 60. Okay. This will be what? 1 by 12 plus or minus 12 plus or minus 1 by 60. Okay. If you calculate this, you will get the three numbers. First you will take it as plus 60, plus 1 by 60, plus 1 by 60. Then you will take it as minus. So there will be 3. I mean there will be 2 types, 2
5 in total.
which one?
There will be 2 of each of this.
See, this will be one of the HP will be this one like this with plus. Another HP will be with this one along with A.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Okay. This you know how to solve, no need to solve.
Yes.
Understood the concept?
Yes.
Clear? So if they give 3 numbers in HP, first you take it in AP like this, 1 by reciprocal like this. Which one? What is the doubt? You will get 2 HPs. Okay, because we are getting plus or minus. Otherwise we will get only 1 HP because we have to take plus or minus here. Got it? Okay, this is the concept. Most important thing is this step. This is the step you have to be very focused.
Yes.
If there are 3 terms in HP means you have to take 3 terms in AP but with reciprocal.
Yes.
Okay, 5 terms in HP means you have to take 5 terms in AP with reciprocal. That's all. Okay, you have to take it with reciprocal. See, in this question also we took reciprocal only, but they are already given in reciprocal HP. We took reciprocal of AP, we got it as 4x and 10. That's it. Clear? Next. Okay, relation between AM, GM and DM. Okay, if AB are 2 positive numbers, then A is greater than G is greater than H. That is, AM will be greater than GM, GM will be greater than HM. So least will be harmonic progression, GM will be middle, and arithmetic mean will be greatest. Okay, now AGR in HGP, GP square is equal to AH. Suppose arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean are in geometric progression, then GP square is equal to AH. This is also very important, you have to remember. GP square is equal to AH. GP square is equal to AH, or GP is equal to square root of AH. This you have to remember. Equality occurs if terms are equal. If all the terms are equal, I told you arithmetic mean is greater than equal to GM. If it will be equal when all the terms are equal. Otherwise, it is greater. Same thing here. Okay, this will become equal when all the terms are equal. Suppose 2, 2, 2, 2 comes, then arithmetic mean also will be same, geometric mean also will be same, harmonic mean also will be same. Harmonic mean is what? It is 2 times AB by A plus B. And arithmetic mean is what? A plus B by 2. Geometric mean is what? It is nothing but square root of AB. Two terms. Suppose here, two numbers AB is given. Arithmetic mean is what? A plus B by 2. Geometric mean is what? Square root of AB. Harmonic mean is what? 2AB by A plus B. That's all. Clear? And this will be greater than this one, and this will be greater than or equal to this one. Clear? This is the only relation you have to remember. Now, based on this relation, they can ask questions. We will see some questions here. Okay. The harmonic mean of two positive numbers A and B is 4. Harmonic mean means what? Harmonic mean is 4. Their arithmetic mean is A and geometric mean is G. If 2 times A is equal to, if 2A plus G square is equal to 27, A plus B is equal to alpha, it should be mod A plus B. Okay. And mod A minus B is equal to beta, then the value of alpha by beta is equal to what they are asking. First they have given harmonic mean of two positive numbers. Harmonic mean of two positive numbers. Harmonic mean they have given it as what? Equal to 4. Okay. So harmonic mean is nothing but what? It is equal to 2A by A plus B is equal to what? 4. Okay. There arithmetic mean and geometric mean is equal to 2 times A plus G square is equal to, they were given a relation. Okay. 2 times A plus G square is equal to what? 27. Okay.
A and G here are arithmetic and
Geometric mean. G square is nothing but what we learnt? G square is nothing but equal to AH. See here, G square is equal to AH. So I can put the value of AH here, correct no?
Yes.
So this will be equal to 2A plus G square, I can write it as what? AH. G square I can write it as what? AH. Okay. Correct no? G square I can write it as AH. Now we already know the value of H. H is nothing but harmonic mean. Harmonic mean is what?
4.
What is the value they are given? 4. So I can write this as what? 2A plus 4A is equal to 27. Okay. That implies what? 6A is equal to 27. So A is equal to 27 by 6. So that is equal to 3 by 3 9s are 3 2s are. So A will be equal to what? 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Correct no? A will be equal to 9 by 2. Okay. A will be equal to 9 by 2. But one thing you understand. A is what? Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is nothing but equal to what? A plus B. A plus B by 2. So we know that A is equal to 9 by 2. I'll write it. So A is nothing but what? Equal to A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2. So that is equal to what? 9 by 2. 2 2 cancels. So A plus B is equal to what? 9. Okay. Alpha is equal to what? 9. Therefore alpha is equal to 9. Very good. Okay. Now we have to find alpha beta minus this one is this one. So we know that A plus B whole square, with mod only let us write, A plus B whole square is equal to A minus B whole square minus 4AB. Minus 4AB. Now A plus B whole square is what? 9 square. A plus B whole square is what? A plus B what we got? 9. Okay. 9 square is equal to A minus B whole square minus 4 times AB. Now how to find AB? How to find AB? Here we have no? Okay. 2 times AB is what? We don't know. So we will use this. Okay. We have
since we got in, can you substitute in the equation?
here.
Yeah.
What we got here?
We found the value of A, right?
Yeah, A we found out.
Yeah, we substitute there. This square is equals to H.
This square is
Is equals to AH.
huh.
Okay.
That is what we did.
Yes.
Okay. Again, if you do, again we will get the same answer. Now we will take this because we want AB. 2AB is equal to 4. 4. No. 2AB by A plus B is equal to 4. Okay, wait. I am telling you, I can multiply this by 2, no? This whole equation I will get what? 4AB. Okay, let me take this. So I will take this as, we have to find out what? 4 minus 4ab. We have to find out ab, right? Or 4ab we have to find out. We have to find out what? 4ab. We have to find out 4ab or ab. We have to find out ab or 4ab. Now I have what? I have
2ab.
this is what? ab. I have to find out this. Okay, this is minus. Okay, this is minus. Now I have this one, see here. Now I have this one, star steps here. What is that I have? I have 2ab by a plus b is equal to 4 I have. They are asking 4ab, I am having 2ab here. Can I?
Plus b is equals to 9.
That is correct. Instead of calculating 2ab, I will calculate 4ab. Instead of finding ab, I will find 4ab. So I can do what? I can multiply both sides by 2. I will multiply this by 2, I will multiply this by 2. I will get what? 4ab by a plus b is equal to 2 into 2. 4 to the 2 into 4 is 8. Okay, but a plus b is what? 9. So 4ab by a plus b is 9 is equal to 8. So 4ab is equal to what? 4ab is equal to 72. I got 72. Now I will put this here. Next page I will go. Okay, 9 square is equal to
81.
instead of this, let me go to another page, no problem. Okay, so 81 is equal to
a minus
God of a
minus b whole square minus 4ab, what we got? 72. So 81 minus 72 is what?
81, 72, 9,
This will become plus now if we bring this side.
9
Okay, this will become 81
plus 72.
wait here, just a minute, wait here. This will be, see here, a plus b whole square. If I want to get, I should get a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here what I am having? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Here it should be plus 4ab, right?
Yes.
It should be plus 4ab, right? A minus b whole square plus 4ab. Then only I will get a plus b whole square. Actually this should be plus. Here also it should be plus. So this will become what? This will become equal to plus. So this will become 81 minus 72.
Sir, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus
2ab. But if I am writing, see, I wrote minus 4ab means it will become a square plus b square minus 6ab it will become. Correct? No? See here, I will explain again clearly. See here. A plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. If I write it equals, here also I should get what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. I have taken a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. If I have written plus 4ab minus 2ab, I'll get what? 2 plus 2ab.
plus 2a.
That will be equal to a plus b whole square. Correct? No? If I have written minus 4ab, it will become minus 6ab. It will not be equal. So I did a mistake here. Instead of minus, I should write plus. Is it clear? Okay, that's it. Now this will become what? 81 minus 72 is nothing but 9. So I'll get it as what? Mod of a minus b whole square. So it is mod means I should take only positive value. So this will become what? 3. A minus b will be equal to 3. So beta will be equal to what? 3. Alpha by beta will be equal to what? 9 by 3. Alpha is what we got?
3, 9.
Alpha is 9. Beta is 3. 9 by 3 is what? 3. So the answer is B. Clear? Understood? Is it clear till here?
Yes.
Fine? Okay. Should I explain again? Harmonic mean I took 4, that I got the value as 2ab by a plus b is equal to 4. Then I use the equation, I put the value of g square is equal to h, I got the value of a. A is nothing but arithmetic mean, that is nothing but I got it as 9 by 2. So a plus b is equal to 9 by 2, a plus b is equal to alpha, I got alpha is equal to 9. Then I use the equation, a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Here I substituted, I wanted 4ab. So to find out 4ab, I use this equation. Okay, star equation I used. So I multiplied by 2 so that I get 4ab, I got it as 72. I substituted the value, I got it as a minus b, I got it as 3. So beta I got it as 3, alpha I got it as 9. Alpha by beta is 9 by 3, that is nothing but equal to 3. Clear? Okay. Now standard results. Okay, the standard results you will get it in the notes, nothing to worry, this much is enough. Okay, this you have to remember. Okay, n into n minus 1. Okay, 1 plus 2 up to n is n into n minus 1 by 2. First n natural numbers. First n. 1, 2, 3 up to n is n into n plus 1 by 2, right?
Yes.
N into n plus 1 by 2. This is not minus. Okay, this is for sum of first n natural numbers, sum of squares, sum of cubes. Please remember all this, very important. Okay, all these are very important. You have to remember. It will be used in so many other questions. Okay, next what is there? Next, method of difference. This is not there for you, not required. I have just included, just go through it once. I am not skipping it, that is not there. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so what is sequence and series is done. I will save this. We will do integration. All right, so we will end the session now. Next session we will be doing integration. Fine.